Welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to see what actions you need to do after installing or updating Mea-familia. Use the retractable menu to go to the administration. We will first look at the Mea-familia maintenance section. First, back up the database by clicking on Backup the database. The backup is automatic. A window opens after a few seconds. Save the file to your computer. Keep this file safe because it could be useful if you need to restore an old version of the database. We recommend that you make this backup regularly, either weekly or every 15 days. The next step is to delete the temporary files. To do this, click on Delete the temporary files. After a few seconds, the total of temporary files will display 0. Now we are going to define the general settings. First, define the local settings of Mea-familia. To do this, click on Local Settings. You can then define the default country, the default language, the format of numbers, of date, etc. When the local settings have been defined, click on Save. We are now going to manage the calendar configuration. Use the retractable menu to go back to the administration's home page. Click on Calendar Configuration. You can define the color of each type of item that will be displayed on the calendar. Click on the color of the type of item. In the window that opens, choose one of the predefined colors, or create your own. Finish by clicking on Select. When all the colors have been defined, click on Save. Let's finish by updating the exchange rates. This step is optional. If you only use one currency, you do not need exchange rates. However, if you have bank accounts in multiple currencies, you need to update the exchange rates. It will be necessary to repeat the operation regularly so that the exchange rates are up to date. Use the retractable menu to go back to the administration's home page. Click on Update Currency Exchange Rates. Click on the arrow pointing up. The exchange rates are automatically updated. Now, you know what actions you need to do after installing Mea-familia or after an update. See you soon for a new tutorial.